Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I'm working with a new camera angle here, so I'm working on it. I'm going to get it right. I'm going to continue to work on it because I just want to make the videos better and have a better angle. Sorry about hitting that camera stand. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how I made some glassine bags and how I kind of altered some regular old sandwich brown bags to look kind of like this. Okay, so first part one is going to be the glassine and part two is going to be this one. So let me put these out of the way. You're going to need some wax paper. Now my understanding, the Dollar Tree brand of wax paper works perfectly fine. I wasn't near Dollar Tree at the time, and this is what I saw, so I just picked it up. You need your wet glue. You're going to need a cutter and some scissors. So let's get this party started. Now, I'm going to take this out. And like I said, I don't particularly measure, but for this video, I'm just going to take out a 12 by 12 piece. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to cut a 12 by 12 piece of wax paper. Well, I'm going to say 12 by 12. 12 inches long by however wide this is. Because I'm not a measurer too tough. Well, at least not with this type of deal anyway. And it's crooked. There we go. It's better. And I'm just going to cut this and move this out the way. So now I'm going to, and the only reason why I turned it over is because it's folding like this anyway, or rolling. That's the only reason why. So I'm going to take half of this. And this one over here, just to try to see how, about where the center part will be. It doesn't have to be exact. This is what I normally would do. Put it together here. And do this number. This kind of helps me out a little bit. So I can do that. And actually from here, I can just take this glue and just run a small little bit, line straight up this little opening, like in between both pieces. And one on one side, like so. And this one, like that. And I haven't creased anything yet. There we go. Like that. And don't rub this too hard because it will tear. Especially if it's wet, it'll tear. So what I'm going to do now is just try to get this little fold in the middle here. And I think that... Sorry about that, guys. My memory card died. So I just put this fold right here and centered it as much as I could. And then I went on and increased the sides. I folded the bottom up about a half an inch or maybe 3/4 inches and fold. Now what you can do is just glue all this together. But what I'm going to do is I think they call this mitering. I'm going to miter these corners right here, like so. And I'm also going to cut away this little piece, this little flap right here. And it's actually, the way Anna Power does it, she does it and it's really easy. It's probably the best way to do it. But like I say, I just always do stuff this way. And it'll look better because you can see where I cut and it's not straight. So you probably want to do it the way she does it, or do it a little bit better than what I'm doing right now. So I'm just gonna put a little bit around here and right at the end. My gosh, I cannot do anything straight. Okay, I'm gonna put this like this. So basically, as of right now, this bag is done. You can cut it down if you want. If not, you can leave it like it is, which I plan on leaving it. I'm going to be selling some books like this at the craft fair. So, and it's just going to fit here. See, this is the reason why I'm not too concerned about the sizing right now. But Anna Power will show you, she will give you instruction on how to make the different size bags. You know, for people that like to put those bags in their journals and stuff, she's going to show you how to do that. Okay, so that was that. Next, we're going to do this paper bag right here. Let me move this bag out the way. We're going to do this paper bag, and I don't know what size these bags are, but it'll work for any size bag. I got these at a grocery store, any old grocery store, and they're just the brown paper bags. So what I did here was to just cut this part off. Let me get my cutter here. Just cut this bottom piece off right here. Anywhere, as long as you can get it all. Okay. And I want this part to be the front of my bag, just because. So what I did too was to just let me do this again. I did the same thing. I put these two corners together. Oops, sorry again. I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it. And I'll cut this off like so. Open this up. And just take this little piece off. Probably not all the way down, but I do take it off. And I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna turn this over like so. And you can cut this part off if you want to. I just go ahead and cut it off just because. Now this one you don't have to be as careful with because you're not going to see it anyway. Put a little wet glue on or whatever. Since this is paper, you could probably use whatever glue you want that'll work with paper. Let's put a little bit over here just because. Fold this up like so. And turn it back to what I consider the front. And there you have it. Once it dries, it's a nice bag. I'm going to put labels on my bags. I'm going to go and get some labels. I can't remember who makes those labels that you buy at like Office Depot. And I'm going to create some labels to go on my bags. And hopefully, you know, try to brand myself or market or whatever you want to call it. So, okay, guys, that's it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.